Hello once again. Great. I have to get a haircut because my hair is overgrown and now my hair is kind of getting into my ears. I don't know. It wasn't that long ago since I took a haircut. I've had a haircut. I took a. I don't know. I'll search it later. This is also some English practice for me. So I kind of accomplish multiple things with these lives. First things first, I really actually track the time I am putting into literally learning. And the second thing is I'm also practicing my spoken English. Yeah, my spoken English, which is very poor from this perspective. Even though it's B2, I have a B2 certificate, the baccalaureate certificate, not the, I don't know, Cambridge or IELTS or what is IELTS? It was for English? I don't know, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, let me just do my today's story. Today we have this European Union t-shirt. My ECCC t-shirts are now both thrown into the washing machine. So yeah, let me just open this and prepare for our lab 13. In the meantime, I will take the story. Perfect. We will have a security fabric lab. Okay. Perfect. Yes. It's 4 a.m. and initially I wanted to not do this live because it's too late in the morning and the 3-hour live would literally have me sleeping at 7 a.m. But I said I'll do it daily. I will do it daily, no matter what. Yeah, so now the story. Sleepy cat, yeah, that's what I am now, a sleepy cat. Literally a sleepy cat. Hope it's a video, not a photo. Because my phone is broken, it's moving so slow. Cannot do anything about it. It just moves slow. Okay, so the lab is taking 5 minutes until it's fully usable to launch into the VM and in the GUI client, local client. So I will just wait for the story to be uploaded to verify it's looking decent because good. It cannot look good on my phone, but that's all we have. Sorry for me. Sorry for punching the mic. Sorry for me punching the mic. Yeah, that's also correct if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, my phone is kind of dead now. I've also got a gift for my Romanian people. Fizica povestită de Cristian Preșură. Yeah. I have to learn physics. And this is a good book to start understanding the phenomenons of physics from basic physics, the fundamentals of physics, explained to modern physics, to probabilistic physics. So it's everything I should know for faculty, for my faculty. It has 641 pages, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you can see. I don't know if you can see. This is how it looks. Cute. Yeah. The writing is so tiny. It's a hard to hold book. Hard to handle it. But I feel like it was necessary for me to get a physical book because I'm very tired of PDFs. To be honest, I'm really tired of PDFs. Anyways, I'll have to look through Holiday's physics book because that's where the juicy, the juicy information is. But this one is used to explain things in a more friendly way to newcomers and people who don't know mathematics and literal physics. So that's where I should start because I was admissioned in ETTI, but the written exam, because at ETTI and Faculty of Automatic Control and Computers, we have to take to choose one of those two and take an written exam for it. It's a 4-answer quiz, but it's hard, very hard. It is very hard. I know people know this, but you can choose for your second how's that called? Materie. For your second subject, yeah, you can choose for your second subject between physics and informatics, programming, and I chose programming. The programming exam is way harder than physics. It would have been easier for me to literally learn physics and enter via physics, but why not? I chose the hard way. I didn't know which one was the hard way, to be honest. I didn't really know which was the hardest. I chose informatics because the baccalaureate exam was easier at informatics for my natural sciences specialization. But everything in this manner. Hope I'm saying it rightly. Everything like this, I've still chosen to Doamne, abia să mișcă telefonul ăsta. I've still chosen to take informatics. I've seen it was very hard for me, but it was already too late to switch to physics for my admission because the baccalaureate would be informatics and the admission would be physics. That would be very tiring. And I would have done nothing. I've risked it all on informatics. And I don't know any physics. I didn't know any physics. I've came to the electronics faculty, yeah, electronics engineering, without knowing Kirchhoff 1 and 2 laws. Yeah, I didn't know Kirchhoff 1 and 2. That's right. And when I had our first seminar of electrotechnica, how is electrotechnica said in English? Yeah, electrical. Our first electrotechnics. No, it's electrotechnics. Yes, okay. Our first electrotechnics seminar. I was literally so, what? What's this? How come the algebraic sum of all currents entering and all currents leaving a node is 0? Yeah, literally, that's what I was. That's what I was. I didn't know anything regarding what I will be studying, but to be honest, I am very happy with it. I really like this faculty I am taking, but it's hard. It's hard for me, and thinking to the taking into account the fact that I am literally bad at everything. Like mathematics and physics, and now informatics, because not programming for 2 years because you have to catch up with physics and anything electronics related is hard. And now I am decent at electronics, bad at maths, and very bad at programming, which is funny. I know the programming principles. I can understand code. I cannot write code. I cannot. I cannot. Even though I try so much, I can't write code. It's funny. I think the lab has started, if I'm not wrong. I slept until 2 p.m., which is funny because I really needed that sleep. After that, I woke up, ate something, then went to the gym. Had a gym sesh with my friends. I want today to finish all labs and tomorrow to just take the tests. I know I may fail, but what's so bad about it? Like, I didn't even study for this. I have to study, like, take the lessons and understand it. I want to finish it before 10 August. So I'll have to speedrun it and just learn the things after. That would be good because I will learn them. It's not like I am just pretending I am learning, and when I'm asked, I only have the courses and I don't know anything. I want to know everything. Configure the security fabric on local FortiGate root and ISFW. Downstream. Okay. Main exercises. So I have an overview and 2 exercises. You will learn how to configure security fabric on all FortiGate devices in the topology. Local FortiGate and remote FortiGate are connected through an IPsec tunnel. Okay, so you have a VPN between local FortiGate and remote FortiGate. In the remote FortiGate and ISFW. What is ISFW? I forgot. I don't know. And instead of just pretending I know, let's just internal segmentation firewall. Oh, so it's west, east, west firewall. Okay. Now here we have everything. Downstream FortiGate devices. Fortinet is behind local FortiGate and will be used like this. Okay. Let me just copy this and paste it into Gemini. Sorry, I'll have to blur it because I don't want you to see everything on my Gemini. Perfect. Yeah, I was literally asking Gemini about memory stores because yesterday while surfing the internet, I've came across a very interesting topic about the thing that gives a relationship between flux of current and charge. Yeah, between the flux and the charge. And that is the memory store. Regarding that, I always thought about the fact that 3 components aren't enough. Like I see like we build everything using resistors, capacitors, and inductors. But I also always felt like something is missing, not because I'm that smart to realize like, bro, something is missing. It's like an emptiness feeling I had in myself when I've seen all those circuits. And I was right. I was right. Even though this was discovered, the memory store was discovered way back. It was not thought like it would be that much of important. But regarding the AI usage and the way AI thinks, the memory store would literally move the characteristic of AI from being based on deterministic hardware directly onto probabilistic hardware. So we would have an AI literally wired like our brain, which is wow. It's about the Lissajous curve, if I am not mistaken. If I'm Hysteresis, sorry, hysteresis, not Lissajous. Lissajous is different. Yeah, I am sorry. I mixed things up from my previous labs I've taken during my semester. Yeah, it's the hysteresis. I've literally looked onto Firefox now. You cannot see it because it was not centered on Firefox. Yeah, so it's very interesting, and I want to learn more about the memory store and how that works. I really want to learn more about the signals and systems behind the circuit because you know I am that kind of guy. I don't learn for the exam. I learn for myself, and sometimes I fail my exams because they're hard and I don't study for them. Then during the summer or any time I'm free and don't have to run for 2 hours minimum, going back home to labs and literally waste my energy. I literally study by myself. And I like that about me, to be honest. Because I'm not rushing to take some exams. I'm not rushing. I'm not rushing to take some exams. I said I'm rushing, but I'm not rushing. I'm pursuing real learning. And that's something you would have told Marco from the past, he wouldn't believe you. I wasn't a very nerdy guy. I wasn't very interested in learning. I wasn't even reading. I've started reading during faculty and not reading like sci-fi or any type of book. I read the articles I need regarding I don't know anything science related. Yeah, let's go back to the FortiGate because we've lost 10 minutes from just speaking about memory stores, Lissajous curves, and hysteresis curves. So, to configure FortiAnalyzer logging on local FortiGate root, we have to take the local FortiGate and launch the GUI, and we'll have to log in. Admin. Password. Yeah. Security fabric and fabric connectors. Logging in analytics and we'll edit it. One moment, I have to drink some water and I'll have to. Right. I'll have to enable it. Okay. And it being real time, verify FortiAnalyzer certificate. Click OK. As you can see, I don't let any water go to waste. Have to hold my headset because it's falling off. I cannot tighten it more on my head because I don't like it like that. Yeah, I feel like everything now is trying to fall apart regarding my body. It's not listening to me. I am not in a very comfortable position. I am learning during the night because I don't have AC in home. I mean, I have an AC. It's not mounted on the wall because my mother says she cannot afford that now, which is bullshit. She just likes to see me born. um, and yeah, security fabric connectors and logging in analytics is connected. Yeah, it is. Configure the security fabric. Local FortiGate. Local FortiGate with the admin. Network interfaces. No DNS interfaces, please. Click port 3. Okay. We'll edit port 3 in the administrative access section. Wow, I am literally sweating already. Yeah, I'm learning. I'm doing these labs. I am learning during the night and destroying my sleep schedule and my sanity, mental sanity, and um, physical health, just to learn. So that should be enough for a for anyone to take me under their mentorship. I'd love that. I want to learn everything, but I have to learn it step by step from a professional. I cannot learn it during faculty. I have to be 100% into one thing to truly understand it. I cannot enable context switching that much between subjects, and I don't possess. I don't understand well. I cannot activate context switching while learning. It's difficult for me. Maybe I have ADHD or something. I don't know. And then click edit on port 3. Okay. Then administrative access. Okay, we're here. Select the security fabric checkbox. Enable device detection. Click OK. Click network interfaces and expand port 1. Click the to remote HQ2. Edit. Administrative access. Security fabric control connection checkbox. I don't have to activate anything anymore. Okay. On the local FortiGate GUI, security fabric connectors. Read the security fabric setup. Okay. Edit the security fabric settings section. Security fabric role field. Service fabric root. Enable. It was enabled and set. Fabric name Fortinet. Okay. Your configurations should look like this. Click OK. Okay. Network interfaces. We'll edit port 1 in administrative access. Okay. Confirm that the security fabric. It was not. Don't have the network section. Don't have that. Let me go back again. Security fabric connectors. Like right here. Yeah, the setup. Service fabric root. Port 3 to remote. Fabric name Fortinet. On off, on off. Use one specify port 443. On the ISFW GUI. Yeah, I have to log in. Yeah, you see how easily it makes you fail. They're made to be failed easily, to lose the time. Click network interfaces. Dashboard network interfaces. Port 1 edit. Now I do have the network. Okay. Device detection. We'll click OK. Upstream FortiGate IP. N.1.0.1.254. 31 in binary. 31 bits of 1, to be more exact with my my explanation. In the SAML single sign-on field, select manual, management IP, select specify, then type, what the fuck is this? Sorry for the language. I am tired. When existing, port 1 and port 3. They didn't tell me. They didn't tell me to put port 3, and here look, do you see here that they tell me to add port 3 to allow other security fabric devices to join? Or am I blind? And next it says it should look like this. You say this. Yeah. It's crazy. I don't think adding port 3 will literally. No, it says joining an upstream device will cause this device automation. Okay, this is the same thing. We'll remember this because it should be a problem. Local FortiGate GUI. System and firmware and registration. It doesn't take a few minutes, but it's good. Don't think session count matters. Check the security public deployment result. Local client VM. Have to open also the local client. Open a new browser, we'll go to that, whatever that is. Fortinet. Okay. I see now. Logical topology. Okay. Voice 40 analyzer logging configured on downstream. Should work. Please tell me. Come on. Yeah. Think I'll go to sleep after this because yeah, it's impossible for me to stay awake more than this. In this moment, I am tired after gym and after everything. It's just the fact that I tried to. This exercise will add another FortiGate to the security fabric. 3. In this topology, the downstream remote FortiGate connects to the root local FortiGate over IP security VPN. Fabric. Yeah, I was typing admin password. I was typing admin and password user instead of admin password, which was damn. I am literally this is harder than I thought. Remote FortiGate GUI enable security fabric connection. Okay, let's try it though. On port 6. Ah, it's not here. Work. Interfaces. Port 6 and click edit. We should go there too, but not now. Administrative access section. Now I am going to security fabric. That what we've done now maps the ports to the fabric connectors. Should be like this. Security fabric setup. Yeah, literally what we've been saying. Exactly. Port 6 and port local HQ1. And 10.10.1. Specify. 10.10.10.3. Authorize remote FortiGate. On local FortiGate, we'll go to local FortiGate. System firmware. Okay, logical topology, port 1, port 3. Update now. For it to work. Really sure. Yeah, exactly. Should be done. I think this should be the first lab I've done entirely without a problem. Yeah. It's crazy. My friends will have to stick with only lab 13 because I'm very tired. And there's no way to float on a boat. So we'll see each other tomorrow at our first day live stream. Because as soon as I will wake up, I will do the basic human things everyone does. Like eat, maybe sleep a little more, closing my alarm. What alarm? I am acting busy. I don't have an alarm. So we'll see each other tomorrow. And after I finish everything, that's normally what I do. I will enter live. So I'm preparing to do my own home lab. Tomorrow I will order what I need first, from most important to least important, then we'll try to build our home lab. We'll also have a series of live stream with these live streams. Sorry, it's not only one, it's more. But anyways, I am here. You are not there because nobody's watching these streams. But I am here and here, when I will recap everything. So, goodbye. We'll see each other tomorrow.